Mr. Mutenga Devi.
I'm fine and you?
And the bow. Last time I made out and escape na Chiduma, Chikurubi.
The escape Ipa maximum prison. We masterminded that escape.
But the tourism Bijana.
We masterminded that escape. Me, Chidumo, Guluwe, President Love, and President.
Right. Sagaba Murkutaura Akanyora Bhuku.
Yes, I wrote a book. Nduna out to the print the book.
You book in the book.
Book runs the escape.
Yeah.
Any 125 copies.
Pages.
Yes, 125 pages. It's written right now. I took 3 months to write that book.
Name star is in book.
Book escape Chikurubi maximum prison. I wanted to do an interview with Tilda Pastor FM, but this book is too sensitive. Then the banana budding writers. $50 per page till 80. Then I've got the copies of the book. Saga, I just want sponsoring the Chichi. Zesa Zakaita Chikurubi prison. Tanga Kutichimaita mind. Nana Chidumo was part and parcel.
You were a man.
Yes.
Unanza start Gweja.
Fungai Mutenda.
Oh, you got a rebuild.
This is 1999. A year before I came out, because I came out in 2000.
Mama Pika Makore Mangani.
And that took 14 years.
Sakamakazi Chova 14.
Daga so it escape from Tyre prison. Yeah, but I put up a manica post and just that drama it in Tyre prison court. Yes.
Sakamoto bandit again.
No, I'm not a bandit, I'm a reformed person.
Reformed bandit.
Yes, a reformed, yes. Then I told this Savan because the crime does not pay.
Oh.
Yes.
Saka those room Bhuku.
Those room book the crime does not pay because we pay no Ajita Matum Katma Usungwa. Akanyora Bhuku Rinonzi suffering Nemagadi Zawaiita Wachita Abuse Chichi. Even His Excellency came to see us.
His Excellency
President Itimunagago. He was Minister of Justice when he visited.
Yeah.
This was 1997.
Yeah.
Yes. We were about 472 in our section, Ewo.
Yeah.
Then I say to these guys, these inmates, because I want to say stuff. Let me talk to him. Depends Chimoso in USA. Akabauya na secretary wake muindia nchamuzota enzani ndikukanganwa vatanga ri kujustice futi ndoba ndamutaura ndati tokumbira womotipa uchi amnesty tibudo tareform but you don't want to reform you people because I want my car namakaba makandisa kuZambia 544. That's what he said. Messi mandupei amnesty vamwe vese vandogona vapamana imimi makajekazi vemombe housebreakers andikupeichi amnesty asi vamwe ava veti mafraudi lechi ndichavapa amnesty ndopakaitika amnesty vanhu vakabuda
Ndangana angari Commissioner of Prisons that time.
Commissioner of Prisons was Zimondi, the late.
Oh, Vakashaya
my manje. He was the one, the Commissioner of Prisons Zimondi, but he was a good guy.
Itibata
zvakanaka. Commissioner of Prisons itibata zvakanaka. Yeah.
Saka varimo zvese zviri mubhuku mako.
Zvese zviri mubhuku. It's written in the book. Zvese zvirimo. Introduction of the book. It's
so
okay, fine.
It's okay. Actually know what we're talking about.
It's okay, fine. All right, okay. It's called The Escape. Author's note: this book would not be, in fact, written without the help, encouragement, and support, particularly my nephew Luis Msindo, my wife Nyasha, who gave me all the time to write this book. I also thank my sister Melody for inspiring me, and also my other nephew Roro. I've dedicated this book to my son Manasseh Mutenda. This book is sold subject to the condition that it shall not, by the way of trade, otherwise be lent, resold, hired out, or otherwise circulated without the publishers prior consent in any form of binding or cover other than that in which it is published and without a similar condition. This is others note. That's my note. Bhuku rakatanga iri ndichitanga kupinda ndichiri pa Harare Central Prison. Ndagara solitary confinement. 23 hours locked inside, and I stayed in solitary confinement for about 11 months. Then we were transferred to Chikurubi maximum prison, including condemned prisoners. Vangari life vadzikiswa. Vangwapiwa petition kaona president, the late Mugabe. Then we were transferred to Chikurubi maximum prison. Then ndisvika pachikurubi maximum prison ndakatoona pane kamunhu kanga ane skeleton kakaiswa manhikinzi kari paipai. Ndopa ndakatanga kutya ndikuti maiwe jeri randakupinda, but I tensed ndikati hapana, Mwari anenge aneni. I used to pray every day. Ndainamata every day kuti Mwari achandichengeta, and Mwari akandichengeta. Zvese zvandakaita ndiri mukati mejeri, Mwari ndaindichengeta. I had to smuggle cigarettes, dope, whatever. I was a drug trafficker ndiri mukati.
Yo man.
Yes.
Mosha yako yanga iri yechi first of all.
Carjacking. Ndaipa moto.
Oh. Yes. Wasungirwa kupi? Yakazokupinza mukati.
Ndakasungwa ndiri paTyre mutown. Pa hotel paTyre ndo pandakasungira.
Gore ripi?
Ndakasungwa, this was 1989. Ndipo ndakasungwa 89. Then I was arrested. Pandakatiza paTyre ndanazobatirwa paparliament. Ni maprisa anogada paipa. Ndokandibata. Yeah.
Oh.
Then I was taken to homicide section. Ndatorwa pa homicide, then ndandaiswa pa front page pa newspaper. Ndandabuda, they came for a deep parade. I had 34 counts. I was identified by 20 people. And during my stay in prison, I was going for other further charges. Yet I was convicted for these 2 charges for 14 years.
Yeah.
But now I also did law whilst I was inside. And those charges were dropped because Ndandakuzamteo.
Saka muri lawyer at
I'm not a lawyer as such, but okay, it's okay, Italy, okay. Ignorance and fit in Jari, it says that ignorance is no defense. Is my manjo kaparamusa, urara mwana mudiki. And Titika, opati, musikana wangu. The next thing, opati, mamtirara mesi, makarara kangani mesi. The next example, and Agapa, the citation. Mudara mumagazusungwa. Arara mwana angane 16 years. Statutory law in Zimbabwe 18 years and above. Akabati mukadzi wangu yachichichi achitaura mukoti. And the next thing you were sentenced in my brat. Abanzi 31 days you were sleeping with this girl. Uchiti mukadzi wako times 5. Abasha uda my brat citation yacho iripo pa court. Abapi 105 years. Abatuka major street. Abatopa dzimwe 5 years. 110 years. Yes, akazofira kujera inzi chemusitswatswa. He was an old person. Angakura. He died in prison. It was 105 years. He had just too much.
105 years for rape.
105 years for rape. 31 days. Those are multiplied by 5 years. I have 5 years for each count. Because I got out for 31 days in the other moment. It's okay. Introduction of this. Yeah. Chikurubi maximum prison. It was built by human beings. So what plan and strategy was the next thing? It was me thinking. First strategy, to kidnap and hold all guards on a night shift. Zvaitika manje ndezvekuti pandaenda kupedza charge magadhi vaivai vaisiya maheti nechichiti pareception paipai. Pateta kuchinja tipinde mumakaki tichipeka yekuendesa kukoti vaizoti bata former camp emadad ma-prison officers.
Yeah.
And I just told those camps and tatakuita toda kusona ma-trench coat ekubhaiza vanhu kuti tikwanise tikapinda mukati uwo tikabata one guard. At least if you're armed takuenda kwaMwari. takutanga paseri pechikurubi maximum prison pane inonzi shawasha mission ipapo taisa pane motikari because we needed transport.
Yeah.
Transport was very vital. Handiti if we armed tine transport taikwanza kuescape zvakanaka but zvakazoitika manje ndezvekuti okay, let me just continue 2 sentences. But what about the other inmates? Plan B. To cut the front of the cell. Because my cell, Madaira and Ndandi self-staff. Why we am a gado but in the search bar. Takufari Robert. Don't. We feel out in my bus, I secure Tata inside. Tata Pinda. Tata Vario. Tata Tanga was a checker, Jerry Tasmagla Man's Taka checker Jerry, Taka about 3 months, checker Jerry, Pichana about 3 millimeters every day, and it put toothpastes from my bus because I'm very white. Right from there, it's okay, fine. It was tricky because the other 7 inmates were not in the deal. Escape, move out from this horrible place. It must be fast because every day prisoners passed away. One every day.
Yeah.
One every day. But one people died every day. So mango amenoti pandakagara vanhu makore andakagara ndizopakafamba kare chitunha changodai so chatarwa doro tatati tine deceased person tazanzi tinokonai mangwana attends tokonai mangwana officer in charge makuseni 6 o'clock kubhasika anenge ana doctor
Abvunza kuti munhu akafa maerana naye overnight.
tatorara naye overnight bambo chitunha bambo chanisingatityise sakaona kana pakapa machipisa paipai ndichimupindura paipai ndichimuisa bhaseri mukano handiti ibvonzo ndakamucheedza ndichiti kuwane ropa munhu chitunha ina handichichi ndakapata zvitunha zvakawanda kuti mazimamba it's not fair some hapana death is nothing we are used to that because taizondo zviripo right.
Makambouraya munhu here?
No, I've never shed blood in my life, never ever. But pane one armed robbery yaingoitika yekuti pakaita 8 extended discharge.
If I am
One girl was shot on the arm, but she never died.
Madam, I'm saying mauraya munhu.
Hatisati ndauraya.
Handiri mberi nini?
Iwe ndandibvunza zvokuuraya vanhu. Iwe ubvunza kuti iwe unobvunza kuti ndandakauraya vanhu dandiri musekuru. Ndane makore mangani?
We want to hear this.
Nemakore mangani kumudare?
Yes, I'm 51 years old. All right, it's okay, fine. Huh? The language was, okay, the language was, you kick this bucket as if someone has committed suicide. The language is that munhu kangangofa uyu panditi donat yes kick this bucket tatatomisa paside handiti tatatomisa paside chete urararimo mangwana kusina kweo is kick the bucket. The language because I went to Morgan school, that's a good school. Usati kwakudiwa maboy. Right. It was very normal to sleep with a dead body. The moment other prisoners identified that someone had died after a lockup, it was like a scramble for Africa on the deceased. Meaning to say, in other words, you and the Masoya take international shoes, the white, the Masoya way grey, which go right, but you go to water tuna smart, plus uniform air when you get a nag, plus Unica grocery car go about 2 million and get beside.
I think you could say it with this way.
It's okay, fine. The other sleeping naked, the corpse, and others taking all his belongings, including soap, Vaseline, towel, and cigarettes. Unlocked time was 6 a.m. And in such cases, they also in charge of the prison doctor and his subordinates.
Let's continue.
1 minute, German. Now.
You want to say, and I had to
Taurasi.
subordinates will be accompanied by hospital staff with a stretcher bed. The doctor sits by the deceased and is quickly shoved out of the cell. The moment the body is out, he's now screaming for the deceased's blankets. Because I don't know tomorrow it might be me, thought Joanne. Because of discipline and good behavior, Joanne was made a staff at only 20 years of age, controlling 52 inmates. That's me. It was amazing for such a young guy to control, monitor, murderers, rapists, fraudsters, armed robbers, housebreakers, and carjackers. It was God's mess.
Yeah.
That gave him the spirit of endurance. So what you want to survive against us? Because Marondo Namata, Anondida, in any people's name. Because the Panison is Zukuru and Ufaro Quilter, Asatandi Tora, Satasangana name. Right. You were supposed to interview every new inmate in his cell. You get you 3-ton blankets, your name, nature of crime, where you come from, etc. His name was Elliot Maxi. He had been sentenced to 19 good years for car theft. Then Pano wasn't to notice from Tyre. Because I'm going to Chabani, I can't see man.
Anonza?
Elliot Maxi.
All right. Achiri mpenyu?
Yes, mpenyu, but I was the previous.
Ari uko kujeri?
I was the I'm not going to format as a right. Nai. Oh man. Dry mouth.
Ita zvauri kuita sha.
Tengere my drinks ali baba.
Aiwa, ita zvauri kuita semati kuti kuda kuenda.
Okay, it's okay, fine, all right, okay. Sentenced to 19 good days for car theft. He had been transferred from another prison. He was the right guy to make the escape yet. The question was how to start the escape story. Every say where they planted more. Can't you planted more money in a spy?
All right.
Yeah, my name is because the moment we escape a Chikurubi maximum prison is the third largest prison in Southern Africa. Do you know the maximum prison? Southern Africa, yes.
Yeah.
But in this time to buy it.
Nachidhumo namasendeki.
Yeah. Vamara hapana nachidhumo namasendeki ndacho waudzira madinga. Ndatozaita let down because vangasika concentrate pamoto. Because motikari yapako kwakreka. Yawinzo nemuportuguese ana. Pempalo yake apesa udana pakazongobatwa nemajachana kumuza ndiki pakazokurwa akanditi ndiwo kandiregerera vangari matsaga yangari mabhini. Right, it's okay, fine, let's continue. How to start the story to escape from this horrible dungeon. Joanne quickly got close to Elliot. Yet all the resources in prison. Ndandina zvinhu zvangu because I used to run a bakery. Bekarangura more than 180 zvingwa nechichi.
Ndorota kutopedza.
Yeah, but I mean,
There's no rush. This is important.
There's no rush in Africa.
In Africa, yeah.
I've attended to this.
Tatina appointment.
Taura izvo.
There was yet all the resources in prison, so it was easy to manipulate, convince him. Impano yangawe Elliot Maxi. Because I used to run a bakery, the need bigger run plus they jug peddling. They took me around banjis, they told on a gad panapa. Panonga repon, they took me around banjis. Don't understand Mutuma star. Chitting is a bunch, chitting is a magic. 10 months on. How much in months on was there? So when you say the mouth to
Simomira mda.
They pay a forge. Forge end and a tinga chim. Forge end and a tinga chim. The tinga chim with the Utango street.
Taura zvamati tipedze nyaya yedu.
All right. Yeah, he had all the resources in prison, so it was easy to manipulate, convince him. Angelo was already with them. Angelo Davis. The colored guy says bakery spliffs, cigarettes with the currents for survival. power and authority.
Bhuku ratanga ndo introduction yebhuku
Your introduction.
ya but apa chakudiwa chii manje tipedzisa nyaya iyi
Chikudiwa manje apa ndechekuti bhuku rina kueditwa ndakapedza kunyora bhuku rina kueditwa each page iri kuda $50 per page
US.
tireeditwe $50 US
yeah
ndikusenza neinonzi budding writers
right
saka pakudiwa $50 per page. Anyone who's capable to sponsor or do whatever, maybe kana chita share yebhuku iroro tinenge chimba mashizi ake, but after aeditwa bhuku iri ndanchida kuti tiite movie.
takuenda kumovie kawani
Yes, after aeditwa bhuku iroro kana ratengwa chete tetakuita movie chipautora manasi ndo ndakadedicata bhuku.
aiwa mwana mudiki
Ibve ipapo. Alright. Ndati ndikuda kuti tiite movie.
aiwa chitaurai ka phone number yenyu kuti vanhu
Phone number dzangu 0771 572 392.
dzokererai futi
0771 572 392.
munonzi ani zita renyu
Fungai Mutenda.
and bhuku rinonzi chizve
The Escape. I've got a log here.
from the
Yeah.
Chikurubi
Group
maximum
maximum prison.
Yeah.
I've got a log which designs tora portfolio yangu pasi
aiwa
nada
zvatete
kuti muone logo yacho ndakadesigna titakanyoronzi chi
zvatoita
it's okay fine.
anditi kani thanks plus
Thanks again. This way.
Alright, it's okay, good day.
hapana vanhu vamuda kumhoresa
vandoda kumhoresa ndechida kumhoresa
Johnny.
right Washington Baba P UK Emma UK Vai UK and MLT UK also ndingotaura nevanhu vari kunze hangu because vamwe chipi. Thank you, good day.
masiya wani
This year one Madminox.
aiwa wani wenyu chai
Mukadzi wangu
aiwa David Moloteni
David Moloteni, of course I've said MLT.
ndiye MLT
Eka, ndiye MLT.
alright
Sandati MLT.
aiwa maita bhoja
Yamoresa vesa nditi.
muve nezuva rakanaka
It's okay, fine, good day. So
Sharp.
listen to you.